I'm here because we are going to take a 5-minute craft break together. Yeah, just a 5-minute playtime, but in that time, we're going to make 2 cards. Hello, I'm Claire from Creative the Ottaway, and this is the beautiful project we are going to do today, but it is not going to be just solo. We're going to do 2 together and in just 5 minutes in this craft break. Quick hello to all those in my Crafty Otters Club. Thank you so much for all of your support. It's so lovely to have you here. I hope you enjoy this make too. So let's fold, cut and create the Ottaway. So I'm going to quickly show you this one. It's got a belly band, okay, from the cut off piece, and it's got these 2 layered dies on the front as well. I call these investment buys. If you haven't got layered dies in your stash, have a look around and buy some because you will use them time and time again. What I mean by layered is you get 1 pack of dies and it's got several sizes in it that go up in size. Like I've just shown you 2 here, but there's actually, I think there's 8 in this pack, but you get all sorts. You get squares and rectangles and circles. There's some with stitching on, and that's for another time. So if money's tight and you're really careful with what you're doing with your purchases, crafty purchases, make sure you get some layered dies because that is a real investment. Okay, the card just opens like that. Isn't that beautiful? Really, really beautiful, but it's beautiful all the way round. Now you're going to need some double-sided paper. That is a must because it will just make your life in this 5-minute make so much easier, and paper that is any way up, so card that can be any way round, and then you haven't got to worry about which way round the paper is. There's a little bit of stamping on as well just to finish it off, and that is it. Ta-da! Right, let's create together. So 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and you are going to cut off 1/2 inch off of one end, okay, 1/2 inch. Now one of your cards is going to have a belly band and the other one isn't, so you'll have to choose which one is the belly band. So this bit is the piece for the belly band, so we'll put that to one side. And then what we're going to do, so we cut that bit off that side, so I'm going to turn it round and I'm going to do my scoring all at once. So you need to score at 2 inches, and then you need to score at 4 inches, and then again at 8 inches, which is going to go off in a minute, okay, and then again at 10 inches, just like that. Okay, so my score lines are going down at 2 inches, 4 inches, 8 inches and 10 inches. I'm going to turn my paper this way and I'm going to cut it in half at 5 3/4, and that's it. They're my 2 cards. Okay, now bring that back out the way for a minute. So we've got our 2 cards, and if I do the folds you'll be able to see what's going to happen. So if I do this one like that, so it almost like makes a bit of a gatefold, that one like that. Okay, so that's one card, and then I'm going to do this one this way round so that you can see that I've made 2 cards. Okay, so like that. Okay, so they're my 2 cards, but they don't look like the one I said we would make. So what I need to do is cut off a corner. Now how I do that, let's see if I do it with my pencil. So this is the way round that I want the card, and I need to cut off this corner here. So I mark at 1.5 centimetres. So I put my paper in like that. Take it to 1.5 inches, sorry, centimetres. And I just put a little mark, can you see, just there. Oh, 1.5 and 1.5, okay. And then where that mark is at 1.5, I'm going to go across to the second score line. So I put my paper in there like that, 1.5 and there, and I cut across, just like that. Okay, and I do the same on this side where my mark is here. Okay, I'm going to line that up on the cutting line, and then I'm going to bring it in line with the second score. So my second score line is there. Line it back up again. Cut across there. Okay, so that's one. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. So 1.5. You'll be able to see it a bit easier on this. Top and bottom. Oh, and then I'm going to cut across there to there. So the second score line lining up there like so. Like that. And then the same this side. Pencil mark is on my running line, my cutting line. Line up the second bit there, like that. Okay, let's bring those out the way. Now the inside pieces that I used on here, I put some coloured card. This is Blackberry Bliss, so I've got 2 of those. And I've also got some white card. Now I'm going to stretch the 5 minutes, but I'm going to show you the stamping. So I want to put some detail that you'll be able to see at the top. Now I really like this, but it's too big, so I'm just going to use that piece of it. So I'm going to use a block, and I'm going to put that on there, and I'm just going to ink up the flowers, okay, like so. And then I'm going to put it over the edge of the paper. So like that, okay? I'm just going to ink that again. And move it along a bit. Yeah, I'm just going to put it there, like that. So I've just got some detail. That wasn't a really good example actually, but let's try again. There. And then yeah, there, like that, okay, so that's that. And then I can put my sentiment in the middle. And what's my sentiment? I think I use this one from the same set, wishing you so much joy on this special day, and that is just going to go in the middle like that. And like that. So they're done. Okay, and then my front pieces, again, I'm going to use that floral one again, just there. But this time I only want to do a little bit of stamping. Just put some ink on it. I think I did, but just on the edge. Okay, so just like that. Most of it is left behind. Let's do it on this one. See, like that. And it's just enough detail. And I need a sentiment for the front as well. All of these look too big. Okay, I'm going to leave that for a minute because all of my thank yous handmade for you. That might be okay. Wasting our 5 minutes. Okay, so that's those bits done. That's those bits done. I'm going to glue one of those on there just to show you how it's all going to come together. If my glue comes out. Yes. Okay. There's a big blob there. We don't want that blobby bit. Okay, that's going to go on there like so. I can feel we've gone over 5 minutes, haven't we? It'll be fine. It'll be fine. That's going to go on there. I don't want to look at the time. You can do it in 5 minutes, honestly. I'm just showing you. If you're prepped. And it's a great stash buster. Okay, so that's going to come around like that, okay? Ta-da! But it doesn't have anything here. So remember those. We are going to, they came off of there like that. We're going to turn them over and we're going to stick them on here. Genius, isn't it? Okay, so, and it just finishes it off. It just gives it that wow. So they are already scored, so that gives you an idea of where to put them on here. So if you match them up to the score lines that are already there, like so, just like that, okay, you can see that amazing effect. Look, ta-da! I'll just do the other one. Is that the one? Yeah. So this one is going to go there. For one awful moment, I thought it didn't fit. Did you hear me like pause? I was like, oh, it doesn't fit. But I'd put it the wrong way round. Okay, so that's going to go there. That's going to go there. And there we have it. Ta-da! Okay, so the belly band is just going to wrap round. I'm going to do it that way so you can see it. And that literally is going to wrap round there. Okay, and I'm going to glue that in place. And then this is going to go on with a dimensional, and this is going to go on the top. And there you have a card in 5 minutes. But that's not right, is it? Let's do the other one as well. So this one is exactly the same. Let's put that bit on. I won't. Will I get to do the other one as well? Let's do it. That's going to go in there, like so. And then this is going on the top. Ta-da! Like so. That's the card. Then these bits, they're going to be plain. So they're going to go there and there. So instead of being florally on the inside, they're plain because you turn them around like this. That's it, like so. And this one will go like so, and it will have this one on. Oh, no, let's put that first, like that, but with no belly band. So what I will do is put a dimensional on this side, so it's just attached on one side. And there we have 2 beautiful cards in 5 minutes. Ta-da! Let me put this back on because I feel like I need another ta-da. So top tips, okay? When you are stamping, make sure you just do along the top so that it stands out. Otherwise, you just have a plain white background. When you're stamping the sentiment in the middle, okay, make sure it's not too high up. I think that's the best thing I can say, because you want it to be not there when it's closed, if you see what I mean. So let me move some out of the way. So when I close that, you can't see it. You can just see this little bit of detail hinting at a wow in the inside. So give it a go. Let me know what you think of this 5 minutes, in inverted commas, to create, and share your makes with me. I really love to see. And if this is something you've really loved or you'd like to see some more, please subscribe. Happy crafting!